Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. It's 3-Valve Wednesday. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's an 08 GT E-Force Supercharged. We're going to watch a dyno pull. It's going to be awesome. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify. Stay up to date. I have Doug with me. We're going to go down and check it out. All right, we're going to go down and take a look. So it's an 08 Shelby GT. And you know, still to this day, a lot of you ask, I've got a Mustang GT, or I've got a Shelby GT, or even a Bullet. Is my car much different than a normal GT? Well, as far as the Shelby GT goes, the engine is exactly the same. From the factory, it does come with a cold air intake, and there's some other, suspension mods and things done to the car. But what you're looking at today, if you've got an 05 to 10 Mustang, you can install this Supercharger kit on it. I'll put a link in the description. You can open up, click, read a lot more about it. We have more mods than just a Supercharger. Doug, come down, take a look. So what do we have here? It's our Stage 1 E-Force Supercharger package. You get 41-pound fuel injectors. You do get a fuel pump upgrade. We have a cold air induction kit we include in this, as well as a proper calibration. Kohler spark plugs. We installed a set of our Detroit rocker Lopi camshafts and a set of Pypes long tube headers with a catted H-pipe. Check out this dyno pull. All right, check it out. DynoJet SAE Smoothing 5 rear wheel, 483 real horsepower, peaking at 6,500. Torque comes in 432, peaking at 5,200. Awesome numbers on a stock engine, 3-valve. Here it is, Shelby GT. And again, if you have a GT, this is the same kit you can put on your car. Again, link in the description. But hey, I'm Brent. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. A few more things. We are located in Indiana. This car is running 93 octane. So maybe you live somewhere you want to run 91. We have calibrations for that as well. You can email quote@brenspeed.com and say, hey, what's this cost to get installed? Thanks for watching.